When you're looking for a home and you hear renovated, what do you expect? You want to see a house that feels fresh and more modern. You want to have a house with added efficiency and function. But more times than not, when you go into that renovated house, you actually see they spend all their time on the pretty and none of it on the function. From sight lines to storage, if you're selling your home, step back and look at it through the eyes of a family. How are they going to use the space? Allie, thanks for submitting the photo of your living room. It looks like a nice big space, the bones look solid, but the problem is the clutter. You have stuff everywhere, and what that tells a buyer is that you're lacking storage in your home. I want to take you through a house that's sending the same message to buyers, and maybe you'll get a few tips that can help you maximize the look of your space. I'm Drew Scott, and this is Setting the Stage. This is a home that looks beautiful on the listing. It's 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, so it's not huge, but it's well renovated. They spent money on new windows, they spent money on new appliances. But once you get into the house, you look around and you start to notice it's not as functional as you think. You can see the master bedroom, it's not a bad size, but when you walk over here, there's this weird pole. I don't know what this is for, because I'm telling you right now, it's not structural. I don't know if this is a Superman change station or whatnot, but you don't need to have that. It just makes the bedroom feel smaller. It's pretty dark in here. You'd like to have a little bit brighter, but the main concern is the storage. You have 1 standard closet in the bedroom, which is not bad, but a lot of people want to have a walk-in closet. Flow is everything for a home. Right now, this house has all the bedrooms and bathrooms on this side. It has the living space and kitchen on this side, so both areas just feel like long, skinny bowling alleys. The reason they didn't reconfigure things is right here in this closet, which is exciting for people to have a closet in their home, well, that's actually a furnace, so you have no storage in this area of the home. I would have reconfigured this so that the HVAC is running elsewhere. Then you could actually open up the flow right to the living room. Then you see another closet, or maybe this is a pantry. You get all excited, you have somewhere to put your stuff, and then you open this up, it's your hot water tank. And then over here, the third closet doesn't even have doors, it's actually your washer dryer. This house literally has no storage in its main living area. That's not something that's going to sell the house for top dollar. And also having your washer dryer right off the dining space is not something buyers want to have. If you're spending a lot of money to put in new bamboo hardwood floors, new windows, appliances, fixtures, that's great, you're adding value if you're also thinking about function. If you make a space look pretty but you don't change bad function, you're not adding the value you think. So what have we learned? No storage means no go for buyers, especially if they have kids. Allie, good luck with your place.